Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, here we'll see a very useful video on how to enter date properly in Excel in your format or whatever format you want. So let us go to the laptop and see how to do that. So as you can see, I'll open an Excel file here. I've already written some kind of date like January 1, 2019, February 2, 2019, 6th March 2019, some random dates I have written here. So what I want to do is, I want to change it to some other kind of format like January 1, 2019. So for that, there are two very easy techniques. Simply you have to select these things and go to this page. I'll show you home and date, this number tab. There's something called date. You can go here. Either you can go for short date, long date. For example, if I change, you can see 01 January 2019, 02 February, this thing you can do it, or you can go for short date as well, as it was before. So, or else if you're not happy with that, go for more number formats. This is one way to reach at this page, which is the real page in which you are going to edit or change all these things. Or else directly you can select all these things at a time. I select all these things and right click here and go to format cells. Once I click that, I'll again land at same page only. So here you can see you can change the formats of the date like whatever you want. 14th March if you like this kind of format, 14th March 14 March 2012, or go for something like directly the day 14 March. If I press OK, you can see okay, the cell size is bigger, so it is showing hash all these things. I'll just click here. You can see Tuesday 1st January 2019, Saturday 2nd February. If you want this kind of date, you can even go there. And if at all you want to, you're not happy with all the available formats that are shown in this page, in this very page, you can go to custom here. Once I press custom, you can see a lot of things coming up here, starting for hours, seconds, AM, PM, all these things will be coming up. So either you can choose what you want, or you can select some of the formats from here, or else you can design your own formats. For example, you can see DD-MMM-YYYY, or else you can design your format as well. For example, I want something else like I'll just delete everything here. I'll make my own format. Instead of DDMMYY, I want first year. For example, for this video I'm showing you first YYYY, then I put dash, then MMM, month in 3 characters, then again I put dash, then DD. Okay, so if I press OK here, you can see that's converted all my dates into YYYY, MMM and DD. So you can see here how simple it is. Again, I go here, format cells, and once I do that, you can see that this format is getting saved in this list. Earlier I did this kind of format before the video. It was also saved here. It was not originally available here in this place. I had made it so it was saved here in this table, in this box. So for example, something else, for example, I want month first. So first MM in 2 letters. Let us see what happens. MM, then DD, then YY. For example, if I go for this date, this format, let us see what happens. Okay. Wow, you can see 0101 MM, DD and YY. So like this, you can change the format or the way you want your date to be displayed on your screen according to like or your comfort. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you learned how to enter date according to your choice of your format or your liking of your format, and try to play around with the options I've shown you. If you found something new or something else that you are excited about, please do comment in the comment box. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please don't forget to share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this tip or technique in Excel and make good use of this. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.